earlier that as big as your dictionary data set or a dictionary size, then your the computational cost of the performing softmax function is more. Okay, so how you are going to reduce this computation cost? Okay, so there are two types of techniques here. One is negative sampling and second is hierarchical softmax classifier that we are going to see. In the negatives, here our aim is means whatever we means we have studied the softmax function, but here we have to modify our objective function so that it will reduce our computation cost. Okay, so consider you can consider here one pair from your data set, which is Fox and Quick, as Fox is our center word and Quick is your context word. Okay, and you have to assign means you have to find the probability of appearing this kind of pair in your data set. Means if it is appearing in your data set, you have to give this pair as a label 1, but to do the back propagation thing, we have to randomly sample some of the pairs that are negative in the sense that are not present in our data set, or in data set that should not present. Means the Fox and you should means it will not come in the that particular window, like Fox and dinner, Fox and guitar, Fox and chair, Fox and table. This kind of pairs will not never occur in your data set. Okay, so basically here we are converting our softmax task into a sigmoid task, whether this kind of pairs are appearing in your data set or not. If it is appearing, means it is present in your data set, then we can give the label as 1, otherwise the label would be 0. So here we have to slightly modify our objective function. So here for our positive sample, we can find the sigmoid of our this product of these two vectors, and for the negative samples, basically we have to first we have to sample some pairs from our entire data set, and then we have to get this value. Okay, and this will be our cost function for the negative sampling. And for this case, here you can take as a five negative samples, means that your k value is 5. Okay. And actually this is your one of the hyperparameter, and you can change this to any value. Okay, so here I have considered as k, and you have to go means you have to do this perform this loss function on your entire data set, and you have to calculate your loss, and again you can do the back propagation and update your words. So here we are avoiding to find that the sum of 10,000 words. Okay. Next topic is hierarchical softmax classifier, and it is also one of the method to reduce our computational cost of in our original model. Okay, so here basically we are trying to divide our entire vocabulary into a tree-like structure. Okay, so to divide this tree-like structure, we have to do this Huffman encoding. Okay, and to find the word where it lies, we have to again we can find the probability. Means we have let's consider you have to find the word as W2, and it is present in the left tree of this your main tree. Okay, in the left subtree it is present. Okay, then at this node you have to find the probability whether it is present in this subtree or it is present in the this subtree. Then here you will get the higher probability as it is present is here, present this side. Okay, then you will move down the this tree, and again you have to calculate the probability at this point. And by doing this operation till you reach, you have to do this operation till you reach your word, and these words are located at the leaf nodes. And uh, in this manner we can reduce our O of n complexity to O of log n base 2. Okay. I hope this part is clear, but now there are some of the limitations of word-to-vec model. Okay, so we have seen that it is only relies on your local information. Okay, means basically you have to take the window size with respect to your center word, and you have to generate those kind of pairs. Okay, that means the semantic that you are going to learn for the center words are only dependent on your surrounding words only. And means this kind of sublinear relationship are actually, it is explicitly defined, okay, in this model. But now we will see the different architecture.